make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak.
Hi guys, welcome to LuckyLandTv. Today we got Subway. Shout out to Haley Daily, my best friend. I think that's her name on YouTube. I got me a 6-inch turkey sandwich with now I told y'all I'll eat a little pork every blue moon. I got the little pepperonis thingies on there, turkey. I got the red onions, the spinach, jalapeno peppers, and honey mustard. No. I got honey mustard, salt, pepper, vinegar. How y'all guys been? We got the baby. I took her to get some McDonald's and a strawberry sprinkled donut. Y'all want honey mustard? I miss guys when the honey mustard was white instead of yellow. It was better. This good, best friend. Y'all comment in the comments how y'all get y'all Subway sandwich made and what type of bread y'all use. I use Italian herb and cheese bread. And yesterday, guys, when I was at TJ Maxx, I had got this elderberry. I got this elderberry herb tea, organic. No, no, all the other added ingredients, none but herbs. I found it at TJ Maxx for $3. It was on sale for $3. $3. Then I got my best friend a Powerpuff case for her AirPods. She got the 3rd generation, but I got the wrong case. It was a Pro case. It was a Powerpuff Girl case. She liked the Powerpuff Girls. Her PS5 skin Powerpuff Girls. Excuse me, her feelings is hurt. I bought her the case while she was away. She snatched the old case off quick as hell. I guess the Pro case, right, it's more shorter than the 3rd generation like this, and it's wider. And she was hurt. She was hurt, y'all. But put in the comments how y'all eat y'all Subway sandwich and what bread. Normally I get some chips like Flame Hots or salt and vinegars, but yeah, I wasn't feeling chips today. I made it in the house, y'all. 3 in the morning. Didn't go to sleep till 5 in the morning. I'm thinking, because the baby would just went to sleep when I went to sleep at 5. She was going to sleep in. All I felt was a tap. Mommy, Lucky, I gotta use it. I said, oh, Dookie, you ain't tight. That's her laughing at me, guys. You want to say hey? Okay, you can say hey. Come get this camera. Come over here. No, don't turn it. Just say wave. Bend down. Okay.
That's Mommy's cake.
That's mine.
How's that going?
You know who that is? You know who that is? Bob Marley.
Who's that?
He died a long time ago. He was a reggae singer. You see your hat? Let me show you. Let me show them your hat.
This came from
This where he from. Bob Marley is from Jamaica. He from Jamaica. This what your hat say, Jamaica. And this the color. This they colors, red, yellow, and green. He a reggae singer, Dookie. Damn, Bryce.
Huh? How you knew that was him?
I seen him walk past. But what I'm gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell them share my video, Dookie.
Share.
Tell them share my video.
Share.
Right now.
Right now.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Peace, guys.
Peace.